see, all of us know about group discussion. The most important part in GD is we should speak. That is a fundamental cardinal principle of GD. We should speak, and we should speak in such a way that we make some sense in the talk, in the discussion. You will get multiple chances to speak. Lot of chances you will get to speak. इंट्रोडक्शन कर सकते हो, बॉडी में एंटर कर सकते हो, कंक्लूजन कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे आई विल गिव यू अ टॉपिक एंड आई विल गिव यू ईच वन ऑफ यू 2 minutes to speak and introduce the topic. I'm very sure you people have listened to the GDs uploaded on your PD education, so आपको idea है how to initiate. Then you have to enter in between, और entering in between जब भी तुम चाहो तो enter कर सकते हो. कभी ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा कि मैं enter नहीं कर पाया सर, क्योंकि बहुत अग्रेसिव डिस्कशन नहीं होता. पब्लिक सेक्टर में जिस चीज के लिए आप टारगेट कर रहे हो उसमें नहीं होता. सो यू कैन एंटर, बट यू शुड हैव विलिंगनेस कि मेरे को एंटर करना है. ऑलवेज यू शुड बी एट दैट प्रिपेयर्डनेस कि मेरे को एंटर करना है यार, मेरे को 2-4 लाइन बोलनी है. और दूसरा, मेरे को लगता है जीडी में वो स्टूडेंट को मार्क्स मिलता है जो दूसरों को सुनता है और उनको सुन के अपनी बात बोलता है. यू हैव टू लिसन टू अदर्स एंड देन स्पीक. 80-90% students just want to say what they want to say. They don't listen to others. So try to listen to others. Make some sense what he's saying. Either he will be saying you will agree to him, you may not agree to what he's saying. So just उसके साथ कुछ बोलो, और conclusion के लिए ध्यान से सुनो whatever everybody has said and conclude your discussion within 1 minute. And if you stick to these things, then GD is a very, very simple thing. GD is not at all a trouble. And I have seen people who speak only couple of sentences only, but they clear the GD because the way they speak and what they speak, that is relevant. So there are two things to this now. You speak or you don't speak, that is one thing. Second is what did you speak, आपने क्या बोला, that is the second thing. Most important is आपने बोला कि नहीं बोला. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि सर मेरे को पता नहीं था क्या बोलना है, so I did not even participate. So if you do not participate, nobody can make you qualify. So आप कभी भी select नहीं हो सकते. So you have to speak. That is the cardinal principle. Keep that thing in mind and let's start our discussion now. So now I give you a topic today. You can write the topic and then I give you 30 seconds to think. Topic is India 2021. India 2021. 2021. India 2021. That is a topic for the discussion. Okay, I think then we are ready now. So I start from Manu.
So, good evening, everyone. So, the topic given to us is India 2021. My name is Manu. The topic given to us is a highly relevant one, especially in the current situation. And we are in the middle of a pandemic and we are entering a new decade also. And on the bright side, we have the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that's Make in India, to make India self-sufficient and self-reliant. And something like ISRO's mission to space, like Gaganyaan, and the human space missions. These are all the bright sides of India's 2021 outlook. Like the population control bill is also coming in 2021, which was a long-awaited bill. And on the dark side, there is highly rising unemployment rate, and the farmers' protest is also going on, and the suicides rate are rising. So there are two sides of this coin. So we have to take into account all these points, and I'm sure we'll be having several ideas to share in this topic. And I open this topic for discussion for all of us.
Okay, Ashutosh, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Ashutosh Singh. I'm glad to start today's discussion. The topic given to us India's 2021. The topics is the economic topics and also the current relevant topics. As per the government vision, the government should has a should have a target Indian GDPs and also the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. Government has many vision to boom the economy, and government should also set us some target to Indian growth. And we are currently facing the pandemic. We are facing the current pandemic and the farmer protesting. So we are discuss the topics today's. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think Hrishikesh can go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Rishikesh Pawar and I take this opportunity to initiate our discussion. So today's our topic of discussion is India 2021. So as we all know that in 2020, we all have got through this disruption of COVID-19 pandemic. So all the businesses are slowed down. So I think in our discussion, we should discuss about how India can make or can India can go to such a greater height. Also, one of the major subject for the discussion or in 2021 for India will be a vaccination. So we know that the India have their own plan to get vaccinated all of the population, and also as Abdul Kalam has said that the mission 2021 to mission 2020, as it was not possible due to this COVID thing. But yes, again, we should as an Indian we should talk about how India can achieve those marks. Also, India is having a mission of that 5 trillion economy. So how India can propagate towards that. So I think, yeah, it's a topic of current relevance, and I hope every one of you should have a very relevant point, and we should have a very fruitful discussion. So I'll open this forum for the discussion. Thank you.
Suchit.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Suchit. I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion on the topic which is India 2021. This is a topic of current relevance. I think the year 2021 will be a year of recovery, as the COVID has hit badly to our country, and we are among the top countries which have noted worst cases due to COVID. And there are many topics which we should discuss as a recovering economy, implementation of national education policy, and as we are moving towards privatization, whether it is right or not, or whether we are ready for that. And also health sector, COVID has exposed health sector very badly. We were not at all prepared for COVID, and we should reinforce our health sector. And also there must be some laid rules for emergency like COVID-19, and we should be very prepared for facing such a situation. So 2021 and more coming years will be of recovery, and we must be positive towards it. I think we all must have more points on this topic. So I open the topic for discussion.
Okay. So I think now, Manshi, you can go ahead.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Manshi Goyal. I am glad to open the discussion. Today, our topic is India 2021. So, from this topic, my opinion is this, like this is current relevance. So that is, so we can say that we can use here political effect, social effect, economical effect, legal effect, and some all the economical and some all the social, legal, and all the effect we can use in this topic. So from my point of view, like a political effect, the government has changes many of the rules in India. Like Narendra Modi has started like self-reliant and Atmanirbhar Bharat and many of the things for our government, for our rules and for our regulations. And from this from this Atmanirbhar Bharat, we can get lots of opportunity, like job opportunity for the youth. This is very well for ourselves and other also, for youth and for all the people those who are lost their jobs in this situation. And then vaccine in 2021, all are saying like vaccine will come. So I from my point of view, surely 2021 is very good for us, for our health, and for India also. Thank you so much.
Okay, Aniket.
Yes, good evening, all of you. I am Maniket Patil. So today's our discussion topic is India 2021. So initially, RIP to those people who lost their lives in 2020 due to COVID-19 situation. In that situation, we all of us face a lot of challenges like economical growth is decreasing, GDP our GDP rate is decreasing, unemployment growth is increases, and uh, and many people lost their lives. So, Narendra Modi introduced a new scheme that is Atmanirbhar Bharat. So we have good chance to bounce back to our economy. So according to me, all of us should take advantage of it and uh, try to boost our economy. Thank you.
Okay. Now I think everybody has participated, and now we enter into second phase of our discussion. That is where you will discuss among yourself. You will listen to others and give your own opinion. And that second stage will be for 10 minutes. So I give you 10 minutes to discuss, and then we start concluding one by one, similar to how we introduced. So please unmute yourself, and you can start discussion among yourself now.
So as we have all discussed that the vaccination is one of the major challenge in India, for India in 2021. So we have to see that how our frontline workers can get vaccinated. Also, how should be our vaccination distribution, because we all know that the vaccine will be cater for only a low temperature. So how India will going to distribute that vaccine? How actually Indian government is trying to pull this vaccination camp? Also, how Indian government is going for this economical change. So I think vaccination is one of the major challenge, and India should have look for the vaccination for the
2021 is
more
given the taker opportunities to recovery of the 2020. 2021 comes to recovery of the 2020, like employment, job opportunities. Is government has a very target issue, has target the many sectors like
I totally agree with
Atmanirbhar
your
Bharat
point, friend.
gives the some scheme.
I totally agree
Yeah,
with your point, friend. Like government have create lots of opportunity for us and for the Indian people.
opportunities.
Like economic growth is also there. Lots of economic growth. Like when this lockdown was conducted, our economy is going so slow, so much
Going to
down.
booms. Going, yeah,
So
yeah,
now I
it
think
booms.
it should be boosted and it should be benefit for us.
right, Mansi. So I think for the
Right,
economical
right,
growth, I
Mansi.
think the unorganized sector. So boosting of unorganized sector is one of the key issue in front of government. So as we all know
This
that
is
in India around
Yes,
80%
Rishikesh.
is
Yes,
Yes,
Rishikesh, you're
yes.
right.
The Rishikesh,
You
you
talk.
realize after the pandemic that
You talked about
many has
vaccination first.
lose the job and start our
Yes, you
business.
talked
That
about the
times
vaccination.
the
yes,
business.
Suchit, you can go ahead
Yes,
with the
yes, yes.
vaccination. Yes, Suchit.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah. Vaccination.
Suchit, there is one big issue regarding this vaccination. That's the safety of this vaccine. This vaccine has not been tested for the second mutation of this virus. The second mutation is out only before a week, and we have not tested that vaccine for that mutation. So if we inject that vaccine without further long-term test, that will be a huge catastrophic.
No, but
Especially in
we
Indian
do
case,
not
there will
have
be
any
1.3 billion
other choice.
population.
We do not have any other
Sorry,
choice on the vaccination.
As we
Rolling
have a
out
population
for
of 1.3
30
billion,
crore,
we will be
rolling out it for 30 crore itself is a
Yes.
challenge. 30 crore we can vaccinate, but all of the people, we should think about the distribution of vaccine for all of the people. Many political parties were making it as an
distribution of the
agenda. They
vaccine is
were
also
announcing
the
pre-COVID vaccine. This is
sorry,
very
friends, sorry to
disappointing thing.
interrupt you.
So I think
Sorry, friends, to interrupt you.
preparedness for vaccine is not ready. So India is not ready to vaccinate everybody, and health sector is also not. Health sector was also exposed in the last year, as we know that America was having a code book for emergency or pandemic like COVID. They were having laid rules. So we must prepare something like that in the coming year, so we would not face situation like this, and we would not collapse. Like
Right,
we
Suchi.
have
So
done.
the 2021 will be a turning year for India, because as we all know that the import of the India has drastically reduced down, and also India is trying to get their export at the high margin. India is trying to get their GDP on the track, because as we have noted that in the Q2 the GDP was contracted by minus 23%. So I think
Yes,
this
yes,
year
yes.
it's going to
Government
be a
revenue also
very
increase for that
to
year.
yeah,
boost-
sure, let me
to
complete
boo-
my point.
To boost the producing thing or the industrial sector, we have announced the package which was 10% of GDP under the scheme of Atmanirbhar Bharat. But a notable thing about it was about 70% of the cash or the value of the package which was announced was only provided to banks to provide loans more cheaper. They were not actually provided to the businesses.
Yes, Sachin,
So
I am totally agree
this
with
was
your
the
point.
thing.
Yes,
We
you,
was
Actually, today
I'm
I
agree,
have
but
actual cash to
seen
boost
one
government
the
news.
production sector.
Today I have seen one news that in that news I have seen that our GDP growth is boosting nowadays, like
Yeah,
because
right.
of GST.
like
GST
and
we have
GST revenue also
because of
increase
GST we have,
for December.
yes, we have increased our revenue also.
Yes,
People
yes,
I
will
GST
think
not
one
revenue
of
is
the
boost
also
important factor in
highest
during
revenue.
economical growth
pandemic,
is
I
the
guess.
agriculture issue, because as we all know that the most of the population in India, they are concerning or they are into the agriculture sector. And I think that the like if you talk about the different sector that has hit during the COVID pandemic, but among those sector, agriculture was the one which actually shown a boom. So I think the 2021 year will be a great opportunity for the farmers or the agriculture sector to get that boom, and so as to so as to increase our export into the foreign countries. Like as we have seen that the India is having an agreement with the China for
Yes,
this
I am
rice
totally
issue. So I
agree
think
with
it
your
will be a
point.
good.
Yes,
Yes, I am totally agree with
yes,
your
I
point.
agree.
I think this
2021
should be
will be a
boost.
great, huge
Yes,
boost
this
for
should
the
be a
space and
boost
science
in
and technology sector for India. Especially the case of human space mission is going to happen in 2021. If this pandemic is going to be over soon, and that will be happen only when we vaccinate most of the people in India. So vaccination is the prime concern, actually, and the
As we
main
also
challenge also is the
time,
vaccination.
vaccine will take
Vaccine,
time.
I think.
So before that,
I
we
think
will
yes,
try.
guys, you all are right. Like vaccination is one of the challenging issues. Like this economical growth is
Industry,
another challenging issue. But I think one of the key aspects that Suchis has already mentioned in the intro is the national education policy. Because all we have known that in 2020 government has come up with the national regulation
if you,
policy. So the implementation of
Rishikesh,
this national
you
Like
talk about
government
the
is
education
changing
policy.
their
I'm
will be
also
a
saying the
rules
will be a
also.
good
industrial
will
law
be a
also
good
implemented on the
opportunity
first
for
first
India.
April.
Yeah. So the implementation of this national education policy
Yes,
will be
I
a bigger
think you are
challenge.
right, Rishikesh. Implementation is a very main thing. I think the government is only preparing schemes and
The
many good
policy,
things for India only on
but not
paper.
make the
They are
implementation.
not ready to roll it out.
I think the national education
Yes,
policy will not make
that's
much
what.
of a challenge to the government. Rather than that, there will be a challenge to the government from that population control bill implementation. There will be huge protest against the government if they
Yeah,
are
yes,
going
yes,
to
yes.
implement that.
Population bill
Yes.
control also be implemented. Shed.
Okay, I think now we can
I think
conclude. Now we can conclude, Ashutosh. So Manu, you please conclude now.
So we had a very fruitful discussion in this topic, and we got many points. Like there's a massive privatization drive happening in 2021, and that will be affecting the employment sector. And the main challenge India going to face is the vaccination, as Rishikesh has pointed out. We have to vaccinate around 1.3 billion people if the vaccine is going to be a very good one and very tested and safe one. Another one is the self-reliant India that's proposed by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. And that will be also facing a challenge from this COVID issue. So the root cause is going to be the solution of this pandemic. And other things will be coming as a part of it. Even the space missions that India is going to conduct. So in all this, 2021 is going to be a challenging year for India. On the bright side, we will be having these missions and population control bills and the great vision of our government. On the dark side, there will be a rising unemployment issue. So in this discussion, we have come to the point that India has to resolve a very huge challenge in 2021, and we will be doing that.
Suchit?
sir.
Yes, we had very good discussion on how will be the coming year for India. And many of us, like Rishikesh and Manu, said that the most important thing for the year 2021 will be vaccination of all. When there will be vaccine for all, the pandemic can be ended there itself. And another thing about economy, that everybody has agreed that there are policies about economy, boosting economy, and also education. But implementation of that is also important. And as Mansi said that we are already raising our revenue, but must be more things government should do to practically implement all the policies it has rolled out for the support to COVID-19 effect. So I think yes, 2021 year will be a year of vaccination, recovery, and also full of positivity for all of us. Thank you.
Okay, Rishikesh?
Yes, sir. So yeah, we had a very good, fruitful discussion on the topic, like what will be the India strategy in 2021. So we have discussed about how the vaccination challenge will be there, how the vaccination distribution will be a crucial term or crucial sector that Indian government has to look into. And apart from this vaccination and healthcare sector, so we have discussed about the economical growth. So how India is approaching to that 5 trillion economy. So what are the other factors that are really help improving or helping the economical growth? And also Suchit have mentioned that how government is coming up with the new policies or the new budget, that is the 10% of the GDP, and how it's going to boost up the economical sector. Also, as we have discussed that how agriculture sector has really boomed during the pandemic, and how it will be what are the opportunities that are there in front of the agriculture sector. Also, we have discussed about how the national education policy and its implementation will be a crucial, like one of the crucial important factor in India's 2021 mission. And also, one of my friend has also said that how it will be beneficial for as far as aerospace industry is concerned. So I think, yeah, so though we have been hit very badly in year 2020, but this year 2021 will be a ray of hope for all of us as in India. Thank you.
Ashutosh?
Yes, sir. Today's discussion is a very good discussion, has and the topics in the government has a India 2021 that some challenges like COVID vaccination, employment, GDP, farmer protest, and new education policy. The COVID vaccination is the major point. Vaccination. COVID vaccination is primarily first, and I think we all of our forget the one of the bill of the industrial labor law that has been government has implemented the 1st of April, and it's that the discussion is all of us very good, and we all we all have learned about more about the 2020, and I think that 2021 will be good. And uh, thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay, I think then Aniket.
Yes, as per we know, vaccine will take time to distribute among all peoples. So until that, we should take care of other things also. So initially, we should distribute vaccine like initially the peoples who are having less immunity, we should distribute vaccine first to them. And in that situation, we also have to boost the economy. So we have to use the platforms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and we should try to develop projects, new projects. Like as an engineer, there are number of varieties of projects we can do, and in that we have chance to improve our economy. So there is one of project like medical pill dispensing that will be helpful for the doctors. Also, due to that, doctors will not come in contact of the patient. So like that projects we can develop, and through that we can boost our economy. Thank you.
Okay, Manshi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have very truthful and very fruitful discussion. So, like every coin have two faces, like head and tail. So, in our GD also there is two faces, like a negative pros and negative and cons and pros. So, I want to here discuss about firstly on negative one, like a new wave of COVID-19 is also coming in our India. So this is the negative phase. We don't know how much that will affect on our India growth and our Indian um, in our Indian population also. So and a positive way like a national economic growth and like GDP, that is a very effective way for us. And employment growth have a very we have a Atmanirbhar Bharat opportunity. And Yogi Nath is said that many of the companies will come to UP and give an opportunity to ourselves. So that is the opportunity for us for employment as an employment. And our job opportunities also gather there. And that and some agriculture laws and legals is also there, so that is the good opportunity for us. So I want to say that at the last, we don't have to trust on we don't have to wait for other things, like we have to do for our future, so we can create our future ourselves only. Thank you.
Okay. So let me now give the feedback of your discussion to all of you. I start from Aniket. Aniket, you have not spoken much in your introduction, and in between, though, you did not participate at all. Aapne beech mein, you have not even entered. And
Sir, when I was trying to say something like there is someone who was speaking, so
so that
I
is
couldn't able.
going, yeah, that is going to happen. But still, this house was manageable. It was not chaotic house. It was manageable. People were maintaining the decorum, and even at many places they were not even speaking. There was nobody to speak at many places. You need to be always in the preparedness. You need to be always in the state of preparedness, that if someone stops, you have to enter. That preparedness has to be there, that the moment you get the opportunity, you entered inside. But you were not looking like in that preparedness mode. You were looking like, okay, relaxing and sitting, and you were in inertia. I will say that is, you were in inertia of rest. You were just relaxing. So that is a most dangerous thing. So if I am to eliminate someone from this group in discussion, I will eliminate you, because you have not even participated. And in the conclusion, when you were saying vaccine is going to take time to distribute, and initially you should distribute them to people with less immunity and all, artificial intelligence, machine learning, new project, you started discussing something new. Conclusion is not new thing. Conclusion is what you have already discussed, that only is to be added. So conclusion should not be some new points are not to be incorporated in conclusion. That is what you should know. So your conclusion was faulty because you did not refer anybody, and you started speaking something new in the conclusion. So I understand, Aniket, this was your first discussion. Remove that inertia and try to enter again and again. You know, many people, many students think that they do not have capability to participate in discussion, and from here they could. So don't do that. You will learn it. Many of us here who are sitting today, in the beginning, they were having the same situation like yours. So all you have to do is you need to keep pushing. You need to keep pushing so that you enter, you start. And there's a structure now. I tell you, there's a structure of any discussion like India 2021. Now, structure should be in the introduction. You have to say, "Good evening, friends. My name is Ashutosh, and I take the initiative today and introduce all of you to the topic given to us today." Friends, this topic is something which is very, very relevant for the day because we have just started a new day with a new hope. And friends, India, as you know, as a country, is a huge country, huge opportunities, huge challenges, huge problems also. So we should discuss this entire issue, this entire topic. We should discuss from two aspects: what are the opportunities, what are the challenges for us. Now, friends, as far as the opportunities are concerned, yes, darkest hour is over. I mean, 2020 is over now. At least now we are getting positivity in the form of new vaccines coming up and all, and this particular threat potential is decreasing. These things are the positive sides, and then there are challenges. New basically virus is coming up. I mean, that is also new fear we have. Vaccine distribution is a problem. How vaccine is going to work, that is going to be another issue. How economy is going to get up, and all these things are new challenges. So let's open the house for discussion and we discuss on these aspects. So introduction, as always I told you that introduction may find that aspect, find that dimension, find that basically approach which you give to the group. You tell that this is what we should discuss: opportunities, challenges. You give the headings. Don't speak in detail, but give the headings. So friends, we should talk about economy, we should talk about health, we should talk about quality of life, we should talk about the farms, agricultural farms, agitations, we should talk about the vaccine. So these are the issues, burning issues in 2021. We are entering in 2021 with these challenges and these opportunities. We should discuss this. Now I open the house for the discussion. So give some kind of direction to the group. You people are not giving direction to the group. And the moment you give direction to the group, they start following your directions and you automatically become the leader of the discussion. That part was missing. If I come to Manu, Manu said, okay, it's a relevant topic. We are in the middle of pandemic. He said, Modi, make in India, Atmanirbhar, bright side, unemployment, farmer protests. So Manu has talked some relevant things here. But again, Manu, you need to, the 30 seconds where you need to make a structure very fast. What in 30 seconds you guys are going to do? Listen to the topic and find that particular structure only. That's it. The rest you have wrote memorized. Good evening, friends. My name is this. Topic given is this. I take the initiative. All that is wrote memorized. That is, you are not going to think. So 30 seconds you are going to make this particular thing and you are going to speak. So you talked sense, but yes, structure was missing, Manu. You talked about Make in India. Make in India is long back story now. Atmanirbhar, you mentioned that was the new story. Unemployment, farmer protest, yes, vaccine is something which you missed, but it's okay, not a problem. You talk about in the middle, safety of vaccine. People started talking about the vaccine, and then you came to vaccine. And then at the conclusion also, Manu, you could participate well. So you will pass the GD, not a problem, but yes, still you are away from the perfect one, like structure and all these things are missing in you. So if you are strong in structure, nobody can defeat you in GD. Nobody can defeat. If you have developed that art of making structure and presenting structure, and in between entering and conclusion, if you have mastered that skill, nobody can defeat you in GD. I tell you that. Okay, then I come to Ashutosh. Ashutosh, your main trouble is you read while you speaking. You are reading from the your pages, whatever you written, and you are most of the time you are reading only. That you are not to do. Even introduction and conclusion also you were reading from your pages. That you are not to do. You said that okay, government must have target, pandemic, farmer protest. So largely you were repeating what actually Manu said, and you should have actually come out with structure. That is, again I will tell you, you are also not having any structure. Industrial labor
प्रॉब्लम की सर मैं पॉइंट्स तो सब लिख लेता हूँ, बना लेता हूँ, लेकिन मैं इसको सेंटेंस में नहीं दे पाता इंग्लिश में. ये
वो
थोड़ा उसमें हो जाता है, तो मैं कुछ वो दे एक
देखो,
वो नहीं दे पाता उसको वे को।
सेंटेंस तो वैसे भी तुम यार लिख नहीं पाओगे, अगर तुमने सेंटेंस लिख भी लिया तो वहां बोल
नहीं
नहीं
नहीं,
पाओगे।
मैं पॉइंट्स ही लिख रहा हूँ, मैं उसी को पॉइंट्स ही बना रहा हूँ, फिर बस सेंटेंस में प्रॉपर नहीं बना पा रहा हूँ इंग्लिश में, या तो प्रॉपर
तो बहुत लंबा
मतलब
सेंटेंस बोलो ही मत, तुम्हें टाइम भी नहीं मिलता बहुत लंबा सेंटेंस बोलने में। जैसे क्या पॉइंट लिखा था तुमने? मैं तो बोलता हूँ सेंटेंस बोलने की रिक्वायरमेंट भी नहीं होती, पॉइंट बोलो, एक दो वर्ड बोलो, बात खत्म। क्या पॉइंट बोला था तुमने जिसका सेंटेंस नहीं पता लग रहा था, बताओ।
सर गवर्नमेंट विजन है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत में गवर्नमेंट का विजन है
फ्रेंड्स, वी
जिस
शुड
तरह
टॉक
से।
अबाउट
और
आत्मनिर्भर भारत। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट आत्मनिर्भर भारत, दैट इज ऑल्सो अपॉर्चुनिटी। बस इतना बोलो। जीडी में सेंटेंस से जीडी जीती नहीं जाती, जीडी हमेशा पॉइंट से जीती जाती है, वर्ड से जीती जाती है, सेंटेंस से नहीं। सेंटेंस बोलने का कोई आपको टाइम ही नहीं देगा। जब बहुत क्योस फैला हो तो एक हैवी वर्ड ही आपको वो जिताएगा जीडी। फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट अबाउट आत्मनिर्भर भारत? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट आत्मनिर्भर भारत। इतना तो बोल ही सकते हो, ये सेंटेंस थोड़े है। लंबा सेंटेंस का तो सोचे ही मत तुम। लंबा सेंटेंस अगर बोल भी पाओ तब भी नहीं बोल सकते, क्योंकि कोई आपको बोलने नहीं देगा। Think of short sentences, heavy words, just put heavy words. If you are good in having the words, just use those words, relevant words. That's it. Friends, I will say some opportunities. What are the opportunities? Some challenges. What are the challenges? 1 2 3 4 ऐसे वो बोल सकते हो, बट आपको देख के नहीं बोलना है आशुतोष। आपने आंख को, आपको लगना नहीं चाहिए उसको कि आप देख रहे हो। देखता तो है ही आदमी कई बार, लेकिन आपने वो ऐसे थोड़ा सा आइज करके, और आपने सिर नहीं ऐसे करना। आपको कैसे पता लग रहा है कि कोई देख रहा है कि नहीं देख रहा है? अगर मैं इस तरीके से कर रहा हूं तो आपको पता नहीं लगेगा ऐसे। अभी मैं भी देख के अब बोल रहा हूँ, और मैं देख रहा हूँ मैंने नीचे क्या लिखा है, लेकिन अगर मैं ऐसे करना स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, आई कॉन्टेक्ट मेंटेन नहीं करूंगा, तो पता लग जाएगा। अगर देख के ही बोलना तो पहले देख लो, फिर बोलते टाइम आई कॉन्टेक्ट मेंटेन कर लो, इवन दैट इज बेटर। देख लिया और फिर आई कॉन्टेक्ट मेंटेन करके बोला। बोलना आई कॉन्टेक्ट मेंटेन करके है। ऋषिकेश, स्लो बिजनेस आपके हो गए, वैक्सीन, इंडिया, इकोनॉमी, दिस इज हाउ योर स्टार्टिंग वाज। So your starting was good, but yes, structure was again missing in your case also. So what kind of topic is this? Relevant topic है, कैसा topic है? You did not mention much about that. Talk about unorganized sector and GDP. You were talking about the GDP has gone down, and you were quoting some data. So the data, if you quote, or examples if you give, these all are always good. Data, examples, these all are always good. They are not bad. These are things. Then you talk about 5 trillion economy, new education policies, aerospace. So these are some good, I think at the end conclusion part was good. 5 trillion economy, new education policy, aerospace, ray of hopes you mentioned. So these are conclusion was good. So there was nothing wrong in your discussion. It was okay, Rishikesh. So participation also was good in between, but in the beginning introduction part was something, somewhere you could have made some kind of structure there. Suchit, you speak well.
Yes, sir.
That is a good thing. आपका बोलने का तरीका अच्छा है. You said it is the year of recovery, new education policy implementation. See, most of you people are saying new education policy. Actually, it is not. New education policy is not going to impact much 2021. If you think that way, education ही नहीं होगा, college open नहीं होगा, लगाओगे किसके ऊपर ये? Before new education policy is implemented, opening of the educational institute is the challenge, which none of you talked about.
Yes, sir.
Where you are going to use new education policy? On online education. So if the school ही नहीं खुलेंगे, offline classes ही start नहीं होंगी, then from where new education policy is going to come? You
Yes,
could have said that the main challenge is to open schools, to open colleges, because हमारा majority जो लोग हैं वो वहीं पे रुके हुए हैं। एजुकेशन नहीं चलेगा, बच्चे नहीं जाएंगे, स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे, टीचर स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे, तो बहुत बड़ी ट्रबल है। और हर घर में जो मेन इशू है ना, वो बच्चों का घर में बैठना है। बच्चे घर में बैठे हुए हैं, दैट इज अ मेन ट्रबल। You know, they are not getting socialized. Parents are also affected.
yes, sir.
So वो किसी ने भी बात नहीं की। न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी। मैं वही बोलता हूँ, अगर तुम जीडी को दिल से बोलोगे ना तो जीत जाओगे, दिमाग से जीडी करोगे तब नहीं जीतोगे। और तुम लोग जीडी को दिमाग से करते हो, दैट इज अ मेन ट्रबल। यू डोंट फील द टॉपिक, यू जस्ट स्पीक के नहीं मेरे को तो न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी डालना है, क्योंकि ये एक डॉक्यूमेंट है, और जब मैं बोलूंगा न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, हर लोगों के कान खड़े हो जाएंगे। आप में से कोई एक बोल देता ना, यार न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू से, where you are going to implement it? Are the school colleges open? So let's first talk about when they are going to be open. अगर इतनी लाइन बोल देता तो उसको हाईएस्ट मार्क्स मिल जाते, क्योंकि वो काम की बात बोलता।
Yes.
तो वही चीज मैंने तुम्हें बोला ना, हॉस्टल के रूम के अंदर अगर डिस्कशन कर रहे हो तो भाई वो डिस्कस करो। अब यही टॉपिक अपने फ्रेंड्स क्या डिस्कस करो कि इंडिया 2021 एंड देखना कितने अच्छे पॉइंट तुम लोग दोगे. You will give actual points. As of now, you are giving formality के लिए points. You
Yes,
see,
sir.
big names. Don't run after big names. Run after the logics, points. GD is all about that, right? Okay, privatization, health sector, everything. You concluded very well. You said Rishikesh was of this opinion. You said everything vaccination. We talked about economy, education. Manshi said this. So you could conclude majority of your team members. You could include them and made the conclusion. So Suchit, तुम्हारा तरीका अच्छा है बोलने का, बस बोलना जरूर है, तुमने एंटर करना है, इंट्रोडक्शन रखना है. बाकी there is nothing wrong in your this thing. But yes, I will say कि आप वही points पे focus करो, दिल से थोड़ा GD बोलो यार.
Yes, sir.
And then if I come to Manshi, you talked about the political effect, social effect, legal effect, economic effect. Instead of effect, you could have said our discussion can be on different aspects. Our discussion today, India 2021, can be on the following aspects: political, economical, social, cultural. लेकिन आपने एस्पेक्ट तो कवर किए नहीं. पॉलिटिकल में आपने छोड़ दिया और नरेंद्र मोदी बोल रहे हैं ऐसे पब्लिक डोमेन के ऊपर, तो तुम्हें आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी बोलना है. नरेंद्र मोदी नाम मत बोल देना वहां पे, ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता. when you are in the public domain, you have to say our honorable prime minister, our honorable president, our honorable this. You have to give Shri Narendra Modi. You understand that? That is how we say, our elders also. So you have to say political aspect. Our prime minister, honorable Narendra Modi, has said that Atmanirbhar Bharat, right? Something like that you have to say. And then you missed legal aspect, social aspect, economic aspect. You did not even discuss. So you were good in the way that you could talk about some aspects, but you could not talk about those all the aspects. You understand? Dimension देने का तुमने ट्राई किया, लेकिन मैं फिर ही बोलता हूं कि वो तुम्हारे दिमाग तक ही रह गया, बाकी उनको पता भी नहीं चला. इनमें से किसी को पता नहीं चला लीगल एस्पेक्ट क्या था, इकोनॉमिक एस्पेक्ट क्या बोलना चाहते थे तुम, इनमें से किसी को पता नहीं था.
Yes, sir.
India is good for health. You said good thing is there, that okay, health wise we will improve, but we don't know as of now. We are not out of the danger. Are we out of the danger? No.
No, sir.
अभी चेंज क्या हुआ? कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हुआ. If you go back to March 2020, situation was far better. केस नहीं थे, कुछ नहीं था. अभी तो और भी बुरी हालत है.
Yes.
So we have not improved, but challenges हैं, opportunities हैं. वैक्सीन की बात कर रहे हैं लोग, आ जाएगी. अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं कि इस बार चीजें खुल जाएंगी. अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर लार्जली ऑन द होप, यू नो, पॉजिटिविटी. लेकिन एक्चुअल में नहीं है वो सब चीज. आपने बात कंक्लूजन के अंदर आपने पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दिया और आपने ऐसी चीजों को कंक्लूजन में डाल दिए जो कंक्लूजन में नहीं होती. कंक्लूजन, आई टोल्ड यू, नथिंग न्यू, नॉट योर वर्जन. इट इज अ वर्जन ऑफ द ग्रुप. It is a conclusion of whatever you have discussed. Nothing new is to be added in conclusion.
Yes, sir.
This is how it was. अब अगर मेरे को आपको नंबर देने हो, if I am to give you marks and pass the, तो पास कौन कौन हो जाएगा? एक मनु पास हो जाएगा, एक ऋषिकेश पास हो जाएगा, एक सुचित पास हो जाएगा. क्लियरली ये पास हो जाएंगे. कौन बिल्कुल फेल हो जाएगा? तो अंकित, अनिकेत, तुम तो बिल्कुल फेल हो जाओगे. एंड आशुतोष और मानसी में आशुतोष को थोड़े से ज्यादा मार्क्स मिलेंगे. तो अगर मेरे को 3 ही लोग रखने हैं इस ग्रुप में, तो मैं सुचित को रखूंगा, मनु को रखूंगा और ऋषिकेश को रखूंगा. अगर मेरे को 4 रखने हैं तो मैं आशुतोष को डाल लूंगा. अगर मेरे को 5 रखने हैं तो मैं मानसी को भी ऐड कर लूंगा. लेकिन अनिकेत तुम्हें मैं बिल्कुल नहीं डालूंगा, क्योंकि तुमने बिल्कुल नहीं बोला है. यू अंडरस्टैंड? यू आर क्लियरली आउट ऑफ दिस डिस्कशन. और अगर मेरे को एक ही बच्चे को इसमें से आगे लेके जाना है, एक ही, तो मेरे लिए डिफिकल्ट होगा, बिकॉज ऋषिकेश एंड सुचित में कंपटीशन रहेगा. मनु तीसरे पोजीशन पे चला जाएगा इस बार, क्योंकि जो सुचित है उसने बीच में पार्टिसिपेशन भी किया है ज्यादा. सुचित का पार्टिसिपेशन 10 मिनट के डिस्कशन में सुचित का पार्टिसिपेशन ज्यादा था. और अगर मेरे को एक को ही लेना तो ऋषिकेश को मैं लूंगा. ऋषिकेश टॉपर है इस डिस्कशन का, फॉलोड बाय सुचित, फॉलोड बाय मनु, फॉलोड बाय Ashutosh, then Manshi, and then Aniket. This is how it is. Got the point? And
Yes,
अभी पब्लिक सेक्टर के हिसाब से 3 लोगों के लिए मेरे को डाउट है जो तैयार नहीं है अभी. वो है एक अनिकेत, एक मानसी और एक आशुतोष. आप तीनों अभी पब्लिक सेक्टर के हिसाब से तैयार नहीं हो, तो आप थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करो उसके ऊपर, थोड़ा बोलना स्टार्ट करो. देख के नहीं बोलना है, फ्री फ्लो होना चाहिए. एंड देन यू विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड, राइट? Anything you want to ask now?
सर, जीडी की प्रिपरेशन कैसे करें?
ऐसे ही जैसे कर रहे हैं। दिस इज हाउ वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर। इससे अच्छा कोई तरीका नहीं। फिर से सर मेरे को बताओ स्विमिंग कैसे सीखें, जंप इन द वाटर, जीडी कैसे करें, कर करके करो, जीडी करो, डेली करो जीडी, तो उससे जीडी होगा। ग्रुप डिस्कशन है भाई, वो ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके ही आएगा। इट इज ऑल प्रैक्टिस एंड वट एवर फीडबैक इज गिवन टू यू, यू हैव टू लिसन योर फीडबैक, अदर्स फीडबैक and improve it. I tell you, like interviews and GDs, these are the two things which cannot be learned by reading. They can only be learned by doing. Interview की तैयारी कैसे करें? Interview दे के तैयारी करो. That is what we do. Interview, snaps and all, lot of practice, you know. वैसे ही होता है और नहीं होता। लेकिन मैंने क्या देखा कि प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद भी कुछ सीख जाते हैं, कुछ नहीं सीखते। Some people take it seriously and they have that initiative. I'm to learn it. I'm to learn it again and again. So they do it. उनको बेनिफिट होता है उसमें, बट अदर्स हु डू नॉट डू इट, हु अवॉइड इट के यार दिस इज अ हेडेक, आई एम टू समहाउ कम आउट ऑफ इट, तो वो देन यू विल नॉट लर्न। एंड जीडीज एंड इंटरव्यूज आर स्किल व्हिच विल गो टिल एंड, नॉलेज विल नॉट गो विद यू टिल एंड ऑफ योर करियर, बट इंटरव्यूज एंड जीडीज, आई टेल यू इवन टुडे आई इंटरव्यू पीपल, you know, directors का इंटरव्यू, प्रोफेसर्स का इंटरव्यू, आई एम आस्किंग देम आड़े टेढ़े कई तरह के क्वेश्चन, इफ यू आर नॉट एक्सपर्ट यू कैन नॉट गिव द आंसर्स। So think of who becomes director of IIT. Not every professor. That professor will become director who has those skills. क्योंकि इंटरव्यू तुम किसके लोगे? डायरेक्टर का इंटरव्यू मैक्सिमम लोगे और वो कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, तो डायरेक्टर शुड बी अ पर्सन हु इज गुड इन इंटरव्यू स्किल। सेम जीडी, डिबेट, डिस्कशन जब करते हो, तो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच मेक्स योर पर्सनालिटी, स्पीक इट। तो मानसी कर करके आएगा वो।
Sir, can we do it for twice a week?
Yes, it is going on twice a week, obviously, as of now.
Sir, actually, I have an Colgate interview on 11th. So, मेरे को उसके लिए ज्यादा प्रिपरेशन करनी है।
11 से पहले तो मेरे को लगता है दो बार और डिस्कशन, एक वीक में 2 बार हो रहा है ना, तो मेरे को लगता है 2
Yes,
डिस्कशन और हो जाएंगे या 2-3 डिस्कशन हो जाएंगे। अभी तो फर्स्ट हुआ है आज, वी हैव
Yes,
10
sir.
मोर डेज, 10 मोर डेज में 2 जीडीज विल बी देयर मिनिमम, सो लर्न इट।
Yes.
एक तो मानसी जितने
Okay.
योर पीडीएफ पे जीडीज पढ़े हो उनको सुन लो, मे बी यू
Yes,
लर्न
sir.
फ्रॉम अदर्स मिस्टेक्स
Yes, sir.
and more or less points are common, you know, वो
Yes,
that
sir.
is what common points I'm giving, and your पीडीएफ पे जितने भी जीडी के पढ़े हुए हैं प्लेलिस्ट में वो सारा सुन लो।
Okay.
That is what you can do and prepare GD not related to topic. Don't think कि मेरे टॉपिक क्या आएगा, टॉपिक कुछ भी आए फर्क नहीं पड़ता, you should practice कि मेरे को बोलना कैसे है।
Okay, sir.
Right? Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you.
Prashant, where are you? Who are you? You're all the time you are not
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Prashant, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Prashant, go
Sir,
ahead. Yes.
मुझे मतलब टॉपिक समझा था। हेलो हेलो।
प्रशांत, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
ओके सर, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सर, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
टेल मी।
ओके सर। सर मतलब मुझे टॉपिक समझा था सर, लेकिन मुझे मेरे पास पॉइंट भी थे लेकिन मैं बोल नहीं सका सर।
क्यों?
और मैंने आपका जो वीडियो यूट्यूब पर भी क्या मालूम सर, वो तो नहीं बता सकता, लेकिन मैंने जो आपका पिछला वीडियो देखा सर यूट्यूब पर, मतलब इम्पैक्ट ऑफ कोविड-19 ऑन वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी, उसमें से जो मैंने पॉइंट निकाले थे और मैंने मेरा जीडी हुआ था सर साइनोकेम का, तो मैंने वही पॉइंट उधर बोले थे, मतलब एसबीआई का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, मतलब रिसेशन पीरियड, क्राइसिस, वो जो पॉइंट्स बोले थे सर मैंने, उस पर मेरा जीडी का सिलेक्शन भी हो गया था। इंटरव्यू मेरा मतलब, लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे बोल नहीं सका सर, मतलब बीच में मैं हो गया था मेरे पास, मतलब स्टार्टिंग को पहले समझा ही नहीं जीडी क्या चल रहा है। बाद में वो मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स ने बोला कि करंट मतलब न्यू ईयर 2021 में चल रहा है कुछ।
ओके, डोंट वरी प्रशांत, वहां पे बोल लिए, दैट इज गुड। यहाँ पे बोलो ना बोलो, वहां जरूर बोलो जहाँ इंटरव्यू है तुम्हारा, राइट?
नहीं सर, यस, मतलब उधर तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया सर। Yes sir, sure.
Good. Next time when you come in time, show yourself here and then start speaking. GDs and interviews only बोल के आएगा, करके आएगा, not by observing. Fine. चलो then practice it. Whatever feedback I've given, practice it, and we meet again twice a week. We will meet positively, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you and good night.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you, sir.